Hi, I'm Michelle with Quiet Village Landscaping, and I'm here with Josh, our irrigation manager, to help us talk about some irrigation problems and solves. Why is it important to have a trusted and experienced irrigation installation the first time?
Oh, all the reasons. You get what you pay for in essence. But here at Quiet Village, I design our irrigation systems, and we design your systems based on your property. We make sure that every inch of your turf, for example, has the same amount of water down on it, equal precipitation rates to water everything equally. We'll separate hills from low spots, separate sun from shade, make sure that everything is getting watered appropriate. We make sure we put in drip for all of your woody shrubs so they can get those good deep watering that they need. It's just proper design, proper installation, proper practices that make a big difference. Is it more expensive? Yes, but it's better.
It's less expensive in the long run.
Oh, there you go.